Hey there, freelancers! It's Caitlin here, your go-to source for all things freelancing. Today, we're diving into the secrets of success in the ever-evolving world of freelancing. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, you're in the right place. So settle in, and let's uncover the top in-demand skills for freelancers in 2024 and how you can master them without breaking the bank. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss out on my latest freelancing insight. Now let's cut to the chase and explore these skills that are not only in demand but can also significantly boost your earning potential. But before we delve into the specifics, let me share a golden nugget from my own journey. When it comes to writing, I've found that opting to fixed rates provides both clarity and peace of mind for both myself and my clients. No more questioning of the hours spent crafting the perfect piece, just a fair price for my quality content. Now, let's dive into these invaluable skills and how you can become a master of your craft. Digital marketing. Digital marketing isn't just about posting on social media or running ads. It's about understanding your audience, crafting compelling messages, and driving results. Whether it's mastering SEO, social media marketing, or email campaigns, these skills are a must-have for any freelancer. Where to learn for free. Explore YouTube tutorials, Udemy, or HubSpot Academy for comprehensive courses on digital marketing strategies and tactics. Freelancers in digital marketing can earn $20 to $150 per hour, depending on expertise and platform. Web development. Web development is the backbone of the internet. From creating sleek, user-friendly websites to developing complex web applications, mastering web development skills can open doors to endless opportunities. Platforms like FreeCodeCamp, Udacity, or Coursera offer free or low-cost courses on web development. Freelancers skilled in web development can earn $25 to $200 per hour, depending on expertise and project complexity. Graphic design. Graphic design isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about effectively communicating your message through visuals. Whether it's designing logos, marketing materials, or website layouts, mastering graphic design skills can set you apart from the competition. Check out Canva Design School, Adobe Creative Cloud tutorials, or Skillshare for graphic design courses. Freelancers skilled in graphic design can earn $20 to $100 per hour, depending on the expertise and project scope. Content writing. Content is king in the digital world, and skilled writers are in high demand. Whether it's creating engaging blog posts, website copy, or social media content, mastering content writing skills can help you attract clients and command higher rates. Explore platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or HubSpot Academy for content writing courses and certifications. Freelancers skilled in content writing can earn $15 to $100 per hour, depending on expertise and project complexity. Data analysis. Data analysis isn't just for number crunchers. It's about turning raw data into actionable insights. Whether it's analyzing market trends, customer behavior, or campaign performance, mastering data analysis skills can help you make informed decisions and drive business growth. Dive into platforms like Khan Academy, Coursera, or edX for free courses on statistics and data analysis. Freelancers skilled in data analysis can earn $25 to $150 per hour, depending on expertise and project complexity. Video production and editing. Video content is king in the digital age, and skilled producers and editors are in high demand. Whether it's creating engaging YouTube videos, promotional videos, or cinematic masterpieces, mastering video production and editing skills can help you stand out in a crowded market. Check out YouTube channels like Filmora, Adobe Creative Cloud tutorials, or Skillshare for video production courses. Freelancers skilled in video production can earn $30 to $200 per hour depending on expertise and project complexity. Programming and software development. Programming is the language of the future, and skilled developers are in high demand, whether it's building websites, mobile apps, or custom software solutions. Mastering programming and software development skills can open doors to exciting opportunities. Explore platforms like Codecademy, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning for free or low-cost courses on programming languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. Freelancers skilled in programming and software development can earn $30 to $250 per hour, depending on expertise and project complexity. And there you have it, a comprehensive breakdown of the top freelancing skills, where to learn them for free or at a fraction of the cost, and how mastering these skills can elevate your freelancing career. Remember, success in freelancing isn't just about what you know. It's about how you apply that knowledge to deliver exceptional results for your clients. So whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, never stop learning, never stop growing, and most importantly, never stop hustling. So if you found this video helpful and want more freelancing tips and insights, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep conquering the freelancing world, one project at a time. Cheers!